Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. On 28th of January 2021, CMA Institute has released a notification with respect to online training for soft skill improvement. Now, my dear students, earlier there used to be 100 hours of computer training and communication and soft skill training. It used to be for 100 hours. In that 100 hours, CMA Institute used to provide coaching for computer training as well as soft skill training. So this training used to be given by the regional offices of CMA Institute. For example, we have regional offices of CMA Institute in Vijayawada, Nellore, Vizag, Rajahmundry. So these are also known as CMA regional centers. CMA regional centers or regional chapters or chapter offices. They are called with various names. So this training used to be provided in those chapter offices physically. During the time of Corona, that is during the period of lockdown, they have given exemption to students from undergoing this training because there was a lockdown. Now what the CMA Institute is saying that exemption has been withdrawn. We have withdrawn that exemption. That means now CMA inter students shall do 100 hours of computer training and 3 days of communication and soft skill training. It will be for 100 hours. And this is applicable for all students from August 2020 batch onwards. That means those who have registered on or after 31st July 2020. Those who have registered for CMA inter course on or after 31st July 2020 must undergo this training. Earlier they have given exemption due to lockdown. Now they have withdrawn that exemption. Another important notification released is which says that the existing 100 hours of computer training and 3 days CSS program at intermediate level has been replaced by 60 hours SAP training. It's called SAP training, and 80 hours soft and techno skill training. Earlier they used to be 100 hours of computer training and 3 days of communication and soft skills program at intermediate level. Now it has been replaced by 60 hours of SAP training and 80 hours of soft skills and techno skill training, which totally it is 140 hours. If you remember, we have already made a video on this online training, compulsory online training, that's called soft skill training program. We have already made a video. For your convenience sake, I am leaving the link of the old video in the description. My request is you first watch that video and then watch this video. And what they are saying is regional offices or chapter offices having own computer lab facility may utilize their existing computer labs for facilitating the training facilities to the students. Students of region or chapters which are not having own computer labs will be provided online training only. That means the decision will be taken by the concerned regional offices. So if in a particular regional office they have online training facilities, if in a particular regional office they have physical facilities to conduct this training program, then they will conduct this training program physically. Otherwise, this training program will be conducted in online mode. So when a student does registration, he will have two options. One is oral coaching, another one is postal coaching. Oral coaching means you are getting registered with the respective regional office, that is chapter office. Postal coaching means it's under postal mode, you are registering directly with the head office of the CMA Institute. So in case of postal students, there will be only one option, that is online training only, because they will not be concerned with the respective regional offices. The postal students may also be allowed training at regional or chapter offices having its own computer lab subject to prior approval of DOS. So they have not yet taken a decision with respect to this facility. That means allowing postal students also to take this coaching physically. With respect to that, they have not taken any decision. So this is the meaning of notification released by CMA Institute. My dear students, based on this notification, you plan accordingly. All the best.